Ever wished you could just set your robot vacuum loose and forget about it for weeks? Well, the Yeedi S14 Plus brings you closer to that dream than almost any other budget-friendly robot we've tested. This isn't just another robot vacuum, it's a vacuum mop and self-cleaning powerhouse rolled into one sleek machine. Today, we're going to dive deep into how it performs, what it gets right, where it struggles, and whether it's worth your money. So if you're tired of constantly emptying bins and washing mop pads, stay tuned. Let's start with the design. The S14 Plus feels surprisingly premium for a Yeedi product. The plastic is solid, there's no creaking when you pick it up, and the layout is clean and intuitive. It's clear Yeedi borrowed design cues from higher-end models like the Ecovacs X8. The result? A robot that doesn't just perform well, it looks good doing it. Now let's talk about the dock, the Omni Station, and yes, it is huge. Think mini washing machine, big. If you're coming from a smaller, vacuum-only robot, it might feel intimidating at first. But here's the thing, that dock is the secret sauce. It empties the dustbin, washes the mop with hot water, drains the dirty water, and even dries the mop with hot air. Basically, it takes care of the robot so you don't have to. You just top off the clean water tank and replace the dust bag every few weeks. For anyone who hates daily maintenance, this is a game changer. When it comes to suction, the S14 Plus doesn't disappoint. Hard floors. It picked up dust, crumbs, and pet hair effortlessly, leaving almost nothing behind. Low-pile carpets? Also impressive. Even when we piled debris intentionally to test its limits, the side brush scattered a few pieces first. But in normal household use, this isn't something you'd notice. Pet owners pay attention. The anti-tangle brush is a real lifesaver. Long hair that usually wraps around vacuum brushes? Not a problem here. After every run, the brush stayed clean, a rarity among mid-range robot vacuums. Deep cleaning heavily embedded dirt on carpets isn't its strongest suit, but for daily maintenance and light to medium carpet cleaning, it's more than capable. Now this is where the S14 Plus really shines. Unlike many robot mops that just drag a damp cloth across the floor, Yeedi uses a powered roller mop that spins at high speed while spraying water evenly. In our tests on dried coffee spills, sticky juice, and other stubborn messes, it removed almost everything in one pass. The difference between dragging a cloth and having a spinning scrubbing mop is huge. Your floors end up looking genuinely clean. It also handles edges and corners well. The roller extends outward when it cleans walls and tight spaces, reaching spots that most mops simply glide past. And when it moves onto carpets, it automatically lifts the mop to prevent water from soaking into fibers. Floors dry quickly thanks to precise water control, leaving minimal streaking. One thing to note, it only supports water, not detergent. But the hot water washing and hot air drying in the dock keep the mop fresh without chemicals, which is a nice bonus. Navigation is solid, thanks to LiDAR paired with camera sensors. The robot builds accurate maps of your home, avoids most obstacles, and moves confidently around furniture. Occasionally, it might get stuck between tightly spaced chair legs, but this is rare and not a deal breaker. The app is responsive and easy to use. You can set virtual boundaries, divide rooms, schedule cleaning cycles, and even track cleaning history. Battery life is decent but not outstanding. It comfortably handles small and medium homes in a single charge. For larger homes with multiple rooms, you might see it returning to the dock for a recharge mid-cleaning. The internal dustbin is small, but again, the dock takes care of that automatically, so you don't have to worry about emptying it after every run. You'll only need to replace the dust bag every few weeks, which is incredibly convenient. So who is this vacuum really for? If you want hands-off, low-maintenance cleaning, the Yeedi S14 Plus is perfect. Hard floors, light to medium carpets, pet hair, and everyday messes. Handled effortlessly. Sticky spills, dried residues, and edge cleaning. Covered thanks to the powered roller mop. It's not perfect though. Deep carpet cleaning isn't its forte. Navigation isn't as advanced as top-tier premium models, and it's best suited for small to medium homes. Large homes may require extra recharges, and cleaning solutions aren't supported. But when you weigh its price and features, self-emptying dock, powered mop, pet hair performance, it's one of the best values on the market. At the end of the day, the Yeedi S14 Plus is all about convenience. It automates almost everything, handles daily messes efficiently, and keeps floors looking clean without you constantly babysitting it. If your goal is simple, consistent cleaning, pet hair control, sticky messes gone, and minimal maintenance, this robot delivers. It's practical, efficient, and surprisingly capable for its price. If you're looking for a budget-friendly yet premium-feeling robot vacuum and mop combo that takes care of itself, the S14 Plus should definitely be on your radar. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any thoughts about the Yeedi S14 Plus, let us know down in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, take care, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.